Hello, everyone. Today, we will practice the word feedback. Let's practice together. Feedback. I need feedback. Can you give feedback? Please give me feedback. I appreciate your feedback. Your feedback is helpful. I will use your feedback. Feedback improves work. Can I get feedback now? Feedback helps me grow. I value honest feedback. Please provide detailed feedback. Feedback is important for success. I will improve with feedback. Thank you for your feedback. Feedback makes work better. I listen carefully to feedback. Good feedback motivates me. Feedback helps team progress. I ask for feedback often. Feedback guides my work. Constructive feedback is useful. Feedback improves communication. Thank you for practicing with me. Please subscribe, like, and share. See you in tomorrow's video.